गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 1.7 असेंडिंग एंड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर। व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय असेंडिंग एंड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर? असेंडिंग ऑर्डर का मतलब होता है दैट यू हैव टू प्लेस, यहाँ देखिए कि राइटिंग द नंबर विथ प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ डिजिट, ऑब्जर्विंग द नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स इन द नंबर। ठीक है, द फर्स्ट टू नंबर, अगर आप उन नंबर्स को, ठीक है, कि नंबर्स को लेस नंबर ऑफ द डिजिट टू द मोर नंबर ऑफ डिजिट, तो वो क्या होता है असेंडिंग ऑर्डर, कि जब सबसे कम, फिर उससे ज़्यादा, फिर उससे ज़्यादा और फिर सबसे बड़ा, इस तरह से अगर आप लिखते हो वो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर होता है। और डिसेंडिंग उससे जस्ट उल्टा होता है, उसमें आप पहले सबसे बड़ा, फिर उससे छोटा, फिर उससे छोटा, फिर सबसे छोटा। ठीक है बेटा, we have given exercise 1.7 question number first 8 7 3 6 9 5 2 by counting digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so here you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Next 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You have all the digits same. You have all the digits same, 7 7 7 7. But you have to put this in ascending order. For this we are just seeing the number. Now you can see clearly 8 7 3, 8 7 3, 8 7 8, 8 7 6, 8 7 6. So by this we can say the ascending order of this series will be 8 7 3 5 9 5 2, which is the smallest number, and similarly 8 7 3 6 9 5 2 is greater than this number, 8 7 6 5 9 5 2 is greater than this number, and 8 7 6 9 8 5 2 is greater than this number, and the greatest one is 8 7 8 5 9 5 2. I hope you have been clear. Similarly you have the third question. Its ascending order will be 2 0 0 4 1, 2 0 5 0 0, 2 7 9 3 4 6, and 2 8 6 0 0. Similarly, the greatest one will be 2 8 6 3 2 4. Now, the fifth question will be 9 7 8 9 7 2 and 5 7 7 0 0 8. The number third will be 5 7 8 0 0 8, and the last will be 5 7 9 8 4 5 4. Okay, so in the B part here will be the second question. Now you have to put the given numbers in the descending order, and when I am explaining the definition of ascending and descending order, I explain the opposite one of the ascending will be the descending. So similarly here you have to put the greatest number, then after smallest, and after that the smallest number. So here the greatest number will be 4 5 3 1 0 1 7 1 and 4 5 5 2 7 0 0. After that 5 2 6 7 8 1, and the least will be 4 5 2 6 7 8. Similarly in the fourth part, the greatest will be this and the smallest will be this. Okay, so in the exercise 1.8 you have expanded notation for the large number. What will you write here? You will write here expanded notation for the large number. Now firstly count the digit after 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you will put here 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Similarly after that the second digit is 5. So you will count the digits after 5. 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Similarly after 3 you will write 1 2 3 4 5 6. Similarly the next 3 you will write the 5 zeros. After that you will 4 zeros, and after 8 you will write 3 zeros, after 9 you will write 2 zeros, and after 2 and 5 will be 1. Similarly you can do all the question in the same manner, and in the next question write the numerals for each of the following. Now you have to be add up them. And if you want to add like this, so here you have 60 in the first question, 60, 00, 000, and the next is 3, 00, 000, after that 90, 000, and the last 6,000. After that you will write 2,000 and the 40 and the last but not least. So here you will write 7, 4, 2, 6, 9, 3, 6. So your digit is 6, 3, 9, 6, 2, 4, 7. Similarly, you can do all the question in the same manner. So I have given for practice 1.7 and 1.8 to you. Thank you.